Well, hello everybody. KB on trail. We're gonna up to Mount Jefferson. We're gonna do some trails here. We're gonna go see the Rhododendron Trail and go see Luther Rock and the Lost Providence Trail. So very soft in today, overcast. You see it's cloudy, but the flowers are blooming. I believe those are the rhododendron blooms. So yeah, we're gonna do this trail. I think it's only about a mile, a little over a mile. It's not too bad. And then there's a couple other trails we're gonna jump on while we're out here. So that is the plan today. Wet and foggy, but still fun. All right, folks, I'm gonna keep on trucking. I'll get back at you. All right. So we're at the top of Mount Jefferson. As you can see, it is sopped in. Look at the rocks though. So yeah, sure on a clear day you can see all kinds of stuff. You got your cell towers up here. So yeah, but the view's good on a clear day. It's a summit trail we come up, and if you extend it, I'll take you all the way to the summit which we were at. But we're gonna now jump on the Rhododendron Trail, which is Red Blaze. Look at this rock, it's pretty sweet, huh? So yeah, we're gonna run down this trail, hanging out in Mount Jefferson State Natural Area. So sopped in and wet, but still beautiful. All right, I'll talk to you. That's where we came from. Rain's picked up a little bit, as you can see. Great view. There's the clouds. We're sopped in. Yeah, it's a nice maintained trail here. A few rock hoppings, croppings every now and then, like these right here, but nothing off the wall. Take your time on them, especially when it's raining. Rocks can get really slick. Yeah, a ton of trail up here, Mount Jefferson. So, all right, I'm gonna keep on rolling, and I'll get back with you with the cool stuff. All right. All right, I give you Luther Rock, everybody. A little ball to open with. Man, I've been on a beautiful, non-cloudy day. You can see for miles. Yeah, we're sopped in. What a cool little ball they got up here, though. I'll come back when it's clear. Yeah, give you an idea. Nobody's up here, though, I'll tell you that much. All right, we're gonna continue back on the Rhododendron Trail. I'll get back with you. All right. Well, hello, everybody. KB on trail. As you can see, I pulled the rain jacket out. The rain's coming down a little bit. Now we're gonna hop on the Lost Providence Trail. It's marked as a blue blaze. So I don't think this trail's that far either, but I'd have to look at the map. I'll update it when I edit it. So. Yeah, rain is definitely coming down today. So, all right, I'll talk to you later. That's a road. Lots of rhododendron blooms out here. Kind of purplish, light purple or lavender maybe. That's probably more realistic. All along the trail. Yeah, it's nice up here. Like I say, other than the lack of views, it's still a decent day out here. I like hiking in the rain because I think it's so clean. I don't think it's dirty like the city, but it's just cleaner. Everything seems more green. The colors are more popping, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So. Yeah, so we're still on the Lost Providence. Just came across a sign that said this was communities up here that were kind of lost by the rest of the state, North Carolina and Virginia. So they lived on their own, formed their own government called, I think, the state of Franklin. So not too bad. They're tough hombres out here. I don't know if people today would be able to live out here. So all right, I'm gonna keep on rolling, rock hopping, and take you on down the trail. All right. Rain has definitely picked up. This is the parking lot at the top. Takes you all the way to the mountain. Or takes you to the top of Mount Jefferson. This is the mountain ridge trail. So we're gonna take this down and then back up. So it's a one-way. I guess you can start at the bottom where like the ranger station there is, and then walk it back up again. But, so yeah, the rain keeps coming down and I keep hiking. So we'll be alright though. So rain jackets before. So yeah, that's what we're gonna roll. We're on the red blaze now. So this may go right along the road to the bottom. All right, I'll take it back with you. Man, the views are amazing up here. Look at this. We are in the clouds. This is a Jefferson overlook. To be able to see Jefferson, or the city of Jefferson if you could, but that's where we're gonna mosey on down. We're still on the red blaze, headed down to the Sunrise overlook. So, all right, I'll get back with you. Just wanted to show you that cloud view, man. Isn't that cool?